Okay, this is the Dave Canterbury trying to make your own bow, self bow. Here's mine, nice and thick. Oh dear. Not good. So, I've got this big hunk of wood. Looks in the right state. I've got to use it for something. So what I thought I'd do is do a cutting test from my new Swiss Army knife that I've just got from 7 Days Shop in England. I think they're in Guernsey, they're based. But £12.79. I haven't seen these for anything less than 20 on the net anywhere. So far I'd say if you want a Swiss Army knife and you don't mind a limited choice of what you've got, 7 Days Shop. Ridiculously cheap. This is the lock-in model, so you've got a catch there for the main blade. There it goes, quite a large blade. There it's snapped into place. There's a matchbox for scale, pretty big. And then to take it back out again, but I don't like these things because they snap shut, horrible. So there's the knife. What I was going to test on, because I don't want to see this go to waste, is the saw. Why I bought this model, because it's the slightly big length on those things, and you get a bit more of a draw. So let's see how it performs. The saw there. This is in shot. It's absolutely carving through it. Wow. Pretty hot. You can see the detail of the teeth. There's no set on the teeth at all from what I can make out. It's just angled one way, one the other, but no set. Very impressed with that. That is a clean cut. Very clean.